So my friend, I am again back with a new video on Flutter development course. Today we are going to complete the chat app. For that, I did written a code which I am going to show you. So inside the dashboard, I'm going to explain everything. As you know, this is a group chat, so that here this is title called groups, and I did removed all the cards from here. Here after this group, this that means this padding widget which contains this group text, I did created one expanded widget, and I did added padding widget into it, and in the padding widget I did added stream builder which will make a stream to our server, and this widget will take simply two parameters, stream and builder. Inside the stream I did added this chat rooms which will be created into our server. Here after this user it will be automatically created. Here you can just copy my codes from here, and I will push all the codes into GitHub, and you can copy from there even also. So this is our stream builder, so I did added here stream, and inside the builder it will take a context, and the snap it will return a snapshot. So I am going to return this. I am going to check condition. If the snapshot has data, then it will return this list view builder, otherwise it will just show you this container. And if the snapshot have data, then it will create a list view builder, and inside it I did added here item count. That means it will be a number of cards is going to be added into our list view. So here I did added the snapshot dot data dot documents dot that length. It will return you the length of your data. And item builder, it will take a context and it will return you a integer. That means it is going to return a index. And inside from this list builder I did return this group card which I did created here. This is a group card, and it will simply take two parameters. First one is title, another one is snapshot. I didn't added here data type. Here inside this group card I did created a padding widget and a container widget, and I did wrap the container widget with inkwell and navigated to this chat page. Here you can get all the codes from GitHub for this group card even also. Here I did made one text widget and added this title here, and again a stream builder which will show you the message. That means here inside this card you are going to get the last message. And here this is the style, and again the spacer, and at last of this card you are going to get that time. So everything is fine till now. Now let's move to our console and go to this rule. Here in the rule there is, by default it is created that rule. Firstly, when we did created that our project on Firebase, it did ask us, is it a development mode or production mode? So that it is, the rule of this project is in development mode. So it, in the rule it told to this project that if the time is less than this date, that means 2020, 2022 720, before this date it will only return us the data. So make sure to remove this from here, like this way, like this way. Everything is fine, and publish it. It is our only development purpose, and it is only a tutorial, so that I didn't added here rules. You can modify it according to your requirement. So again let's move to Android Studio. Just refresh the page once, like this way, and here right G, this one is email I did created in Firebase. That means the account is registered previously. You can register another account if you do not have logged in successfully. Here the profile, I did created all the features in my previous video. If you didn't watch my previous video, make sure to watch them firstly. Now here here this is a floating action button, which is it. And in the on page property, I did shown a dialog box here where I did added the title. Here you can see create group. This is a create group, and added on text field. That means to enter the name of group. So this will be the name of the group which we will enter here, and just outline button create. Here you can see the Firestore, which is the instance of Firebase Firestore, and in the chat rooms I did added this group name. Everything's fine. Firstly it will show you the message at the beginning as hi, new chat room is created and time will be the time of now. So let's try to create a new room by just naming it as Flutter. Like this way, everything is fine. Press on create. You can see here the group is successfully created with the time and the message even also. Here you can see this is our chat page. Now in the today's video we are going to complete this. I think this is only left to be completed our chat app. So now let's move to our this chat page. Here this is our chat page, and let's firstly move to console, and you can see here the chat rooms named group is successfully created. And here you can see Flutter tutorial, and this is a messages. Inside it all the messages will be stored. So everything is fine till now. Now let's move to Android Studio and let's start coding. Firstly, make sure to copy all these codes from GitHub. I will drop all the codes into GitHub for this dashboard dot. You can copy it. Now this is our chat page. Inside it, this is the text field where we are going to currently work. So for this, let's create a controller like this way, and here make sure to create it. Let's change it to stateful widget, and here final editing controller, and here pass the controller. Remove this const widget. Now everything is fine. Now we did got the text of this text field, that means this text field. And now when you press on this button, it should to add a message into this collection, that means Flutter tutorial collection. So for that, firstly I need to pass the name of group. So let's create a like this way. Move to dashboard. Here in this like this way, and again create a group name here. No, I think this title will be title. Everything is fine. Now just save it. Everything is okay. Again let's move to this chat page. Here this button is, I think, at last. This is a button, so just wrap this container widget with inkwell. It will allow you to detect the gesture or tap like this way. And let's create an instance for Firebase, Firestore, final, Firebase, Firestore instance. Let's save it. Again, move to downside. Firstly, move to dashboard. Here, copy this and go to that button and just paste it here like this way. And here, just write here widget dot group. Sorry, group like this way. And here, let's create a auth instance of that, means authentication, like this way. Everything is fine now. Again, one error, that means datetime format. So let's import the Intel package. Now perfect. And inside this message, here just pass our controller text like this way. And before this row widget, that means this sized box, here create a stream builder like this way. Snapshot like this way. God. Snapshot like this way. Put here a comma and just return here a card and add here a child text. Just write here test. Close it and make sure to create this text into capital so that it will be recognized as it is a widget. And here in stream, move to downside and copy these messages up to message, that means paste it here and just write here dot snapshot. Everything is fine. Here in this card widget, let's wrap this card with a builder and convert this builder into list view dot builder. And here pass index. Here write item builder and item count. And here just write async snapshot. Inside it, query snapshot. This is just a data type, that this data type is going to be returned from this snapshot. So don't be panic, you will understood everything. Snapshot dot data dot documents dot length. Now now again I did created a list view builder, and here inside this text I think I need to add the message. So for that, here copy this and inside it pass the index, and here msg, which we did create, that created here inside the messages. A document is here, and you can see here msg is no, everything is good. And here I need to add a condition again here, if the snapshot has data or not. So just write a snapshot has data, and if have, then it will return this list view builder, otherwise it should do container, just a container, nothing else. Everything is good, just save it. Here we got large error. Let's move to previous page and again tap on it. We got error. We got the error because I think we need to add here, I mean list view. Where is list view builder? Here just wrap this list view with expanded widget and again save it. Now everything is fine. Here you can see our message that hi, new chat room is created. This is first message, so that, and again write something here like hello and try to send it. You can see here the message is successfully added. Here inside this list view builder there is a property called the reverse, and make it as true and save it. Here you can see it is also good. Now here you can see, when we are getting the message from others, we need to get that from this side, and if we are sending this message, then it should to show on this side. So for that we are going to use the condition again. So firstly make this card more beautiful by just wrapping this with padding widget and try to save it. Now it is quite good, but let's change it into container like this way. Inside is just write a decoration and box decoration like this way, and I need to add here the border. So for that, border radius dot, I am going to add here only because I will tell you later. Just write here only top left border dot radius dot circular. I'm sorry, not border radius, just radius dot circular. Inside it add 10 pixel, let's say, and inside a container just add color dot, I think, indigo. Save the project. Good. Wrap the container with padding widget. Increase this padding into 10 pixel. Save it. Everything is good. And now copy this and paste it 4 times. And more 1 time, like this way. Top left and top right, and here bottom left, bottom left, and here comma, and here bottom right, like this way. Save it. Good, everything is good. Format the document add the const. Nice. Now just wrap this with the row widget and just write here spacer like this way and save it. Everything is perfect. Now inside this, let's decorate this text by just writing a text. So just write here style and text style, and inside it colors, sorry, dot white, and font size 15 pixels. Save it. Good. And now we need to align it perfectly. So if your friend send you message, then that message should to be shown here. Otherwise, if you send the message, it should to be shown from here. So for that, here in this spacer, here just write here auth. No, I think copy this, paste it here. Here just write if, paste it, just write here sender double equals to auth dot current user dot email, like this way, and make sure to add here null safety. So it will check if the sender is you, then it will add spacer at first, otherwise it will add it at end. So again copy it, and after this padding it, paste it, and here make it not equals to you and save it. But it is showing you a error. What is the error? AI. Got it. Here you can see sin and something there. So make sure to, let me again incorrect this spelling, because we did added that from while creating the room. Here you can see good, everything is good. And you can see this message is sent by ggg@gmail.com. And this is also because you know that I did only created this chat app, so that means this group, so that the account is same, so all the messages are from the right side. But if here, let's edit this. If here I remove 1G and update it, you are going to see the messages from right side. Here after this here in the collection section, just write here dot document, inside it date time dot now. Make sure to add here capital date dot now dot to string, like this way. And here in instead of add, just write here set and save it. And again let's move to the dashboard, where we are creating a chat room. Here just write again the document, like this way. Inside it date time dot now and convert it into string, like this way, and it to set, and correct the spelling of sender. Here also move to stream builder, and here also, and here also. Save the project, and this error will be is showing because of this incorrect spelling of sender. Just wait here. Delete this collection from server. Again move to AA. Here just write hello and send it. The error is gone. Now you can see here this is hello, but when I write here again, write hi, send it, it did gone upper side of this, that means message. So in order to make it good, just here in stream builder, where is our stream builder? Here, this is our stream builder. After the document, set dot like this way, reversed dot to list like this way. Perfect, copy it, and in here even also just paste it, and also here it will reverse your message. Everything is good. Again here you can see hi, it did show you a last message, which is perfect. So now everything is perfectly working, but only one thing here, that we are not getting the sender who is sending you the message. For that I need to, I think, add here the email so that it will show you the email who is sending you the message. For that, here you can see after here this is our padding widget, this is container, and here in the text widget make sure to wrap this text widget with column, and here create another text widget same as it, and here paste it like this way. Format the document, good, here save it, everything is good. Decrease the font size into 8, save it, and again use the condition, this one, in order to align the messages just like this way. Add a question mark, that means it will check if you are not a sender, then this will, here just write cross axis alignment, and it will check a condition, and here write it will return a start. Otherwise it will return a cross axis alignment dot end. So if you are a sender, then it will return you end. Save it, good, format the document, everything is good, and make sure to just write here dot shad, otherwise you can write here 170. Save it, everything is fine, it is showing you the name of user even also. Everything is working here. You can see we can send here a message like hi, and like this way you can send it. Now when we send the message, it should to clear this text field. For that, here after this controller dot clear and here call the set state. Save the project. Now when you send the message, it will create a text field. Now everything is fine. So everything is good, our chat system is running, but only one thing is left here, this search engine. In order to make it work, move to this dashboard and here create a variable named search and put the value here empty string, and inside this search go to that text field which is think here, just add here its on change property and add here L and just set state and put the value of L into that search. And let's move to stream builder. Here in the list view builder, here after this documents, add this line of code up to here, and again in the title even also, and in snapshot also. And when you save it, and now it will work. You can see here Flutter tutorial, it is only showing the Flutter tutorial. Now everything is good, congratulations, we did completed our chat app. So for watching this Flutter tutorial, thank you. And if you gained any knowledge from this tutorial, make sure to subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.